Before buying car service ramps, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Some ramps may look sturdy, but can leave you feeling unsafe under your vehicle. Let's uncover the top options that truly deliver.
Product number 1, Roblox Low Profile Ramps. We have the Roblox Car Ramps, priced at just $30.59. These portable ramps caught my attention because of their low-profile design, perfect for low chassis vehicles. If you want a reliable lift for your sports car, this is worth a serious look. The improved length and wider width of these ramps mean you won't struggle with limited space when using a jack. With a lifting height of 2.6 inches and a GWV of 20,000 pounds, they cater perfectly to low cars, making maintenance much easier. The honeycomb design enhances traction, which is crucial when you're working under your vehicle. Now, some people complained about the weight. At 5.3 pounds per pair, some think they could be sturdier. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something lightweight and portable, the Roblox ramps actually strike a nice balance between weight and durability. This is perfect for you if you own a low sports car and need a manageable solution for routine maintenance. Skip this one if you have a heavier vehicle or need higher lifting capacity. But for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the weight of the last ramps bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Hawkswell High Lift Ramps. Let's discuss the Hawkswell Portable Car Ramps, available for $78.99. These caught my eye with their higher lift height of 4.1 inches, making oil changes a breeze. If you want to work on a variety of vehicles, including SUVs and trucks, this is worth a serious look. The 8.1-inch width provides extra support for wider wheels, so you won't have to worry about stability while working. Plus, their heavy-duty construction means they can handle up to 10,000 pounds, which is perfect for home repairs or even professional settings. The anti-slip design ensures your vehicle stays secure while you're under it, and the slope makes driving up easy. However, some users found that the ramps can be a bit bulky for storage. But honestly, if you're serious about vehicle maintenance, the added height and stability far outweigh that concern. This is ideal if you regularly work on different types of vehicles or need added safety while oil changing. Skip these if you have a very low vehicle, as the height might be too much, but for versatility, they're a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those with tandem trailers.
Product number 3, Telaika Tandem Wheel Ramp. Third on our list is the Telaika Tandem Wheel Ramp, priced at $68.99. This product really caught my attention with its unique concave design, which makes tire changes on tandem trailers effortless. If you're into RVs or trailer maintenance, this is worth a serious look. With a lifting height of 5.5 inches and a weight capacity of 15,000 pounds, this ramp takes the pressure off traditional jacks. Its textured surface ensures your trailer remains secure while you work, which is a huge plus. The lightweight nature of this ramp also makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for those who value convenience. Now, some buyers mention that the ramp feels slightly less stable than expected, but here's the thing. As long as you're on a flat surface, the design actually enhances stability, so this shouldn't deter you from considering it. This is perfect for you if you own a tandem trailer and want a hassle-free tire change. Skip this if you only work on cars. It's really tailored for trailers. For the price, it's a decent investment. Now, if that ramp wasn't quite what you need, the next one might be more suitable for low cars.
Product number 4, Ulame Low Profile Ramps. We have the Ulame Low Profile Car Service Ramps, priced at an affordable $29.99. These ramps immediately grab my attention due to their shorter and wider design. If you want something safe for low-profile cars, this is worth a serious look. They offer a lifting height of 2.44 inches and are designed for a loading angle of 17 degrees, which means you won't have to worry about scraping your bumper while driving up. With a load capacity of 12,300 pounds, they really cater to the needs of low cars, making maintenance straightforward and accessible. However, some users have pointed out that the ramps are not as sturdy as heavier options, but honestly, for their price and intended use, they hold up quite well under normal conditions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option for your low car. Skip these if you need something with a higher lifting capacity, but for regular maintenance, they're a solid choice. Finally, if you're in search of a heavy-duty option, the last ramp on our list might be just what you need.
Product number 5, Nylite Heavy Duty Ramps. We have the Nylite Car Ramps, priced at $91.99. These ramps really stand out with a lifting height of 6.7 inches
and a massive capacity of 16,000 pounds. If you want a heavy-duty option for various vehicles, this is worth a serious look. Built from impact-resistant material, these ramps ensure you can work safely underneath your vehicle without worrying about stability. The non-slip surface combined with rubber pads keeps everything secure, even in wet conditions. Plus, the wider design accommodates larger tires, making them ideal for trucks and SUVs. Now, some users did mention that they can be a bit heavy at 15 pounds per pair, which might make handling a chore. But I'll be real with you, the stability and safety they provide while lifting heavier vehicles more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you regularly work on larger vehicles or need reliable access for maintenance tasks. Skip this if you're working on low-profile cars where the height might be excessive, but for serious maintenance, they're worth every penny.
To wrap it up, we've looked at the Roblox for low-profile cars, Hawkswell for higher lifts, Tyler Kea for trailers, Ulame for budget-friendly options, and Nylite for heavy-duty needs. Each has its strengths, so consider your vehicle type and maintenance frequency when making your choice. Happy wrenching!